Howdy. And she's off. I am headed to Rocky Mountain Park, through Estes Park, and I just came up through Lyons. Just inside the entrance, and I got a traffic jam already. I'm guessing elk. Lots of elk. Do it while you can, brothers and sisters. Do it while you can. Almost there. Normally one of my favorite places. It's a little noisy today. Looks like I have a spot at Silver Lake Campground. Just gotta fill out the paperwork and pay. The interagency pass, senior pass, gives you a half-price discount, and we've gotten a lot of those on this trip. Makes things much more affordable. Almost a full moon over there. Pretty quiet here. There were a bunch of sites that were reserved, but the dates were passed, so I wasn't sure what to take. But I got one that didn't have a tag on the post, so hopefully nobody will be knocking on my door later tonight. A little rustic here with the pit toilets, but I am grateful to have them. Gonna get something to eat. Yeah, I know, camp here, don't care. Had a great night's sleep. A little breezy and chilly last night, but we're gonna go do some sightseeing in the snowy range. This is the sunrise that doesn't quit. It's been like this for half an hour. Beautiful. Hope it isn't rain. And as I say that, I feel raindrops. Well, let's go. Thankfully, the shower didn't last long. I'm in search of moose. Guy in the campground told me yesterday morning, moose and her calf walked right through the campground down to the lake. Well, no sign. Guess I'm gonna have to bail on this because I gotta move along. I don't want to go too far downhill because I really don't have the right shoes on. And then I gotta come all the way back up. So we'll keep looking. Well, I checked one last time. No signs. And I gotta move on. I wanted to hike Sugarloaf this morning, but it's super windy. So that could be a no-go. Gonna drive over and check though. We're gonna give this a try. Wish me luck. Not there yet. Nice rainbow over there. Yeah, I could get wet. Looks like this is gonna get ugly. Yeah, it's ugly. Here we go. Looks like this is as far as I'm going. The old lookout cabin. I made a few friends on the way up who got ahead of me because I'm old. But when it started to hail, they turned back and got to me and convinced me that it wasn't a good day to summit. So we turned around, and thank you for the great advice and the company on the way back, ladies. The peak that wasn't meant to be. Almost made it. But rain and hail scare me, so. If you're in Wyoming, don't skip the snowy range.